Okay. It's easier to take that deep breath. Sige. Deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Hindi nakikita sa damit siya. Pag tama ang okay. We got it. Okay. We will be very keen in observing that para hindi magko-collapse yung rib cage. Next. Sino? Apple? Sino? Ngayon? Ah! Happy birthday! Saan sunod kayo nag-birthday? Okay, so hold there. Okay, let it... Yeah. Yan. Yan! Kita mo? Alright, you can see the difference, ano? There. That's the lapat na lapat yun. Naka-stretch siya. Okay, now, stand up. Keep that. Okay, na iban tumayo. No, too much in. Nag-collapse. So, there. Have to look at it. Yo! Yo! Okay. So, nangyari pag over-tilt, collapse din to eh. Pag tama, you're tall. You're tall, your knees are flexed. Sige, Miguel. Okay. Sige, let it set. Blend siya. Okay. So, you feel that, how it just stretches like that? Alright. Now, rib cage out. Okay, can you go just a little bit more to the edge? Sige, yan! Yan! Now, that's the feeling. That's what it should be like standing up. Sige, go. You feel that? You feel that stretch? Okay? Feel that stretch? Okay, don't overdo it. This way or this way, but there. Okay, so you look taller as a result because you are. Parang tak-tak-tak na babanat yung spine ng tama eh. Dahil yun ang komportable sa kanya. Actually. So, nahahanap mo yung komportable sa kanya na lapat siya. Okay, let's do the breathy side first. Sayang, if you were all on, I would make it that you do it in reverse. Dahil pag nahanap nyo yan, then you keep your rib cage up. But let's try it. Sit at the edge of the... Bring this up na lang for now. Alright, one hand on your chest, one hand here. Just the breathy side first. I want to see everybody take a deep breath. Okay, good. Good. I like the way you fixed your alignment. Yun ang critical na ipupulis natin ngayon. Okay. Okay, right. Then inhale. Exhale. Inhale with your nose and mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Check here kung naka-ano ito na mabuti. The rib cage is up. Inhale. Exhale. Now let's do it to the breathy side. Inhale. Then. Okay. Now, what you're gonna try and do is talagang get just the right amount of air. So, isasakay nyo na ng sabay. Di ba sa umpisa, pinapauna kayo yung breath flow. Ngayon, sabay na. Pag nakataas ang rib cage, and you take the deep breath, you will have enough air now to work with. Inhale. Okay, now. Mama. And? Okay, another one. Then we'll go on the stationary. Memi momo. Nothing to do. Yes. So we'll go. Memi momo. Be very conscious that you keep this up. Kasi it does not matter. What's important is you don't get tight here. Nangyayari pag nakakapos na nagiging tight dito, nagiging tight dito. Hindi. Pag tamang ang setup, yung alignment and posture and yung breathing, hindi ka gagrab in any of the 6 areas. Okay? Let's try it.